Hi, Ancient Warrior here, and welcome back to Prepping USA. Let's talk about first aid kits. Now, guys, I just threw. It seems like everybody and their brother these days, for anything they're selling, they put it in a metal tin. I think a wallet came in this, so I kept the tin. And what I did was turned it into a first aid kit for here in the car. First thing, Band-Aids. Antibacterial Neosporin. Antiseptic wipes. Alcohol preps. Now, if you want to get by without these, there is alcohol in those glasses wipes. You could probably go that way. Nice clean towel wipe up. Iodine prep. Aspirin. Triantibiotic ointment. A large gauze. More aspirin. Rubber gloves. Tape. Now, I know I've shown you all this stuff that's supposed to be antibiotic and all this other stuff. Guys, one of the main preps I use quite a bit. Crazy glue. Now here not too long ago I got a hold of some super glue that the vet uses for animals. Three of these were like $3, $4. The stuff like the vet uses or the doctor uses is like $25 to $30 a tube. Matter of fact, I found some on Amazon the other day, and one tube was 20 bucks. This is just a boo-boo kit, guys. It's not meant for anything other than, oops, I got a boo-boo. So, as you go around your day, please remember, small things become big things once people start showing signs of blood. So, have a good day. I also acquired a bunch of these little black elastic bands. These are perfect for keeping things closed. So, you have a good day. And remember, if you have food preps in the house, food and water preps, welcome to free America. But if you don't, I'm sure somebody will be at the FEMA camp waving at you with a welcome sign. So, have a good day.